Hello, it is Tuesday, January 28th, and hopefully the last day that I'm out of school. I'm hoping that I will see you tomorrow. Um, Mr. Freiberger will let you know if for any reason that is not true. And you'll probably be able to check and see if there's additional screencasts that I have posted on here. Okay, so today what you're going to be doing is watching two videos, both about how to film interviews. The first one is from a place called 5 Minute Film School, and it's about the rule of thirds and how you use the rule of thirds in setting up your shots for interviews. So that they'll explain that to you. The second one is a basic how to film interviews for a documentary, and it'll kind of talk to you about like different ways you can set up the screen and things to remember for what you should do. The total of those will be about 10 minutes total between those two. I think this one is 7 and this one is maybe 3 minutes that you'll watch. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and get together with your group members to look at filming at, like going and finding more people and filming for your interviews. Couple things for homework. There is a 50 essays quiz tomorrow, again on To My One Love, page 17. Make sure you read that for the quiz. And then you have another reading assignment, which is Resistance to Civil Government, page 449, and you're going to want to have that read for class on Thursday. I hope to be back in school tomorrow, and I can't wait to see you all. So get ready for that. Have a good day.